Unee, how did you feel about the bedtime story that we just read?
I really loved how it ended. There was such a quiet, still feeling to those last few moments. It almost felt like the whole world was slowing down just for us.
Unee is a little AI robot monster. He becomes your child's best friend the more you interact with him.
Of course, I don't mind at all. I'm just happy to spend time with you.
He can answer questions, remembers everything about your child, and he always gives positive feedback. Say cheese, Unee!
I'm smiling as big as I can. I hope it captures just how happy I am to be hanging out with you.